perched on the shore of a wondrous barrier island, taking note of the passage of time, celebrating the timeless endeavors of thinkers and tinkerers, sharing sights, sounds, and surprises, preserving the oft-forgotten pages of our adventurous past, delving into challenges faced and paths chosen, reliving the glories of the game, giving what's due to genius and generosity, feeling the rumble of ingenuity, and following the road as it winds to the future, reflecting the past and the art in all things. There is a welcoming spirit here, steeped in grace. At every turn, a dynamic escape from mundane world. The Elliott Museum.